It's Wednesday. This is the beginning of the big snowstorm, and I work at Queen's University, and of course we're open. We gotta feed all the students down there, and it's really bad that the Queen's couldn't close today, but that's okay. I'm on my way in. Got this guy here dedicated already doing the snow plowing at the church, getting the daycare all ready. But right now it's about minus 17 degrees. About minus 11. There's a few cars on the road. I'm waiting for the bus. See down here, about maybe 100 yards. Don't know if you can see it or not. Just a little bit of white out. And the 60 km/h winds right now, and they're gusting. But I'm going to do another video on my way in with the bus, and hopefully everybody arrives safe today to where they're going. And as you just see, great big huge bolt of lightning just hit, and you can hear the thunder. And I could have been killed right there.
What's up, y'all? This is take 3, I guess. Yeah. This used to be a parking lot, at which you probably cannot tell. And that flash just now, that's lightning. Lightning and thunder and a snowstorm. Just in case people didn't know that happens, that shit happens. Shit is real. You might be asking, why am I outside? Mr. Disembodied Voice. I'm outside because my black ass is trying to make some motherfucking money.
Without the lightning, this is impressive.
Yeah. Absurd game.
Really?
Auburn was winning. Florida State scored a touchdown with about 3 minutes left to go up. Auburn scored a touchdown themselves with a minute left to go up. And Jameis Winston with a minute leads them down the field. That's it.
Wow.
Yeah. Wow, to the snow. What kind of snowfall rate do you think this is right here?
I don't even know if you could tell if you wanted to.
Yeah.
Like, how do you
know what's blowing?
how do you even know? How do you even measure this?
Yeah.